Hi, Hibadine.
What?
Who are you talking to?
Kusakabe.
Why?
Because I can.
Okay. Bianchi's all in your business.
Suna, I love you. Suna.
And who are you?
Suna, I love
Nah, you're Alexander. You're Claude. I'm Bianchi. Where's your raven?
Bad bro, stop it.
You guys, stop raping him. You're a vampire. You're both vampires. It's okay. Awkward silence. Poof.
Girl.
Oh my god.
What did you do?
Nothing?
You're recording?
No.
Natalie.
Bye, kitty.
Are you serious? Why are all girls like that?
What?
Girls
I look like crap. Ah.